Hello guys, so today's video is going to be a hair video. I haven't done one in a long time. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I style it, what products I use and stuff like that. My hair is curly / wavy, it's like borderline curly, I'm not sure if it's because of the damage, but it used to be way curlier. But yeah, it's still very long, so I think that has something to do with the drop of the curl as well. So yeah, I'm just going to get into it because it's going to be a nice video. To wash my hair, I use this CHRISTOPHE sea salt scrub on my scalp. It's got these sea salt granules in there. It really cleans my scalp. I love CHRISTOPHE anyway. Then I go in with the AVEDA Botanical Repair Mask. It feels like a body lotion. It's so smooth and leaves my hair feeling very soft. I've only used it a couple times, but I think it's gonna be a long product in my routine. Okay, so the first thing I do is brush my hair down with the paddle brush. This is a tip I actually learned at AVEDA when I went to get my hair done, and this reduces frizz. My hair dries very quickly, so I always have to have a spray bottle with me to keep it wet, and that's a very important tip I learnt for definition. It's a bit knotty. And now I'm going in with the AVEDA Botanical Repair Leave-In Treatment. This range is actually a new range and I love it. This is a new product in my routine as well, but it's a very nice leave-in product and it is very nourishing but light. They have different ranges. They have a light and rich range. I usually use the rich range because my hair's on the thicker side. A lot of people also like the Be Curly range from AVEDA. This is the style prep. This is kind of what you put on. Before other products, I kind of messed it up. I was supposed to do this before the leave-in treatment, but oh well. And I just spray this into my hand so I have control, and then I just scrunch it in. Scrunching is like my best friend and it's something I do constantly. Wet hair and scrunching is my secret. That's what I have to do to have my hair pop in, so the curl can just come back, because it needs a lot of help because the length is really dragging down the curl, so I need to do as much as I can. Now I'm going in with the Curl Enhancer. This is again from AVEDA. This is not sponsored, this is just like some new products I've incorporated. But there's many other curl products I love, but these ones are what I'm using now. All the products together are not thick. I know it may seem like a lot of product, but my hair can take it. And also all of them together are lightweight, but they're still very good. I would preferably do this in a lying position with my hair down, like in the salon, but it's a bit awkward when you're doing it to yourself, so this is what I do instead. Or tip my head upside down. I'll do that soon, but just scrunching, I'm just gonna do this. My hair is very flat at the top, so sometimes I like to twist a few pieces just to like enhance the curl a bit and get it going because it needs some help. And now I'm just going with the blow dry. This is the GHD Helios, I think that's how you pronounce it, with a diffuser that is just like a universal diffuser that I have. The settings I use on my blow dry is high heat, low speed, so I just concentrate that in areas. I especially need it underneath my hair, like on the bottom layer. That's where it usually lacks definition, so I concentrate that there, and then I just blast a nice cool speed and a cool heat on my hair after, so it like sets the curl, if that makes sense. I like to hold that for a while because I feel like it gets right in, then it holds the curl longer. So yeah, it's up to you. I don't really mind frizz either, so I don't mind going with the high speed sometimes. It's just like what I'm feeling at the time. If you do want volume, just tip your hair upside down and then just do the same thing. I just like to scrunch it a bit with my hands as well, and then I just always focus it on the root. Apply the hair under the diffuser if it's really long like mine, and then just, yeah, focus it on the root to dry that out as well. Pull that out and just make sure it doesn't get stuck in the fan. That's something I struggle with a lot because my hair is so long. You can see that happening there. it's just like a nightmare. It hurts and it just ruins the hair. That's why I really want to invest in the Dyson, because the Dyson doesn't have that fan at the back. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on the Dyson, because I really want to buy it, but it is an investment. Like, it's I think around £300, so I really need to like research. Some hairstylists have used it on my hair before and my hair turned out great, but I just don't know how I'd feel like using it myself. I think I'd be fine, I just don't know if I want to commit yet, because this GHD hairdryer is quite new. So then I just go in with the hairdryer with no attachment just to dry out the roots a bit, because they always take the longest to dry. And then I just do some more scrunching. This is just like all you need to do, scrunch, 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 scrunch. I like to dry my hair to around 80% dry and let the rest air dry, because I don't want it to be crispy, you know, I hate crispy hair, so I just want to let it do its own thing. But yeah, my hair's pretty much set to go. I just go in with the curl holder just to like set everything. It's like a curl hairspray. It's really good and it doesn't leave your hair crispy. It's just like a nice hold. It's like a mousse but in spray texture. But yeah, this is my hair done. I love it. It's very natural, like the frizz is still there. There's still some definition and the length is there. So everything is good. Hope you guys enjoy this and share some tips you have as well. I know there's so many curl tips that are really useful.